Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video we shall learn how to calculate the number of isomers. So isomers in the sense it has the same formula but it has a different structures. So the formula to be used to calculate the number of isomers up to 7 carbon, that is 2 to the power of n minus 4 plus 1. N represents the number of carbon. So for example, if I take n equals to 5, that is if I take pentane, how to calculate the number of isomers means put the value of the n is equal to 5 in the above formula, that is 2 into 5 minus 4 plus 1. You will get 3. So the number of isomers for the pentane is 3. And now the number of isomers for the hexane will calculate. That is 2 to the power of 6 minus 4 plus 1. You will get 5 isomers. What is the isomers of hexane means? It is a 5 isomers. What is the isomers of how many isomers of pentane means? It is 3. Now how many isomers are there in heptane? If that's the same formula you need to use, that is 2 to the power of 7 minus 4 plus 1. That is you will get 8 plus 1, that is 9 you will get. So the number of isomers of pentane is 3, the number of isomers of hexane is 5, the number of isomers of heptane is 9. To calculate the number of isomers, if the value of n is equal to 8, that is for the octane, how do you calculate the number of isomers means the formula is different from the above formula, that is 2 to the power of n minus 4 plus 2. That is if the value of n is equal to 8. So the you need to apply the value of the n equals to 8 in the above formula, that is 8 minus 4 plus 2. You will get 18. So what is the number of isomers for the octane means? It is 18. The number of isomers of octane is 18. If the value of the n is equal to 8 means you need to use this formula 2 to the power of n minus 4 plus 1. So if the value of the n is equal to 9, that is a non-n means how do you calculate means 2 to the power of n minus 4 plus 3. The same way, if the value of n is equal to 9, you need to apply the value of the 9 in the above one, that is 2 to the power of 5 plus 3. You will get 32 plus 3, that is 35. The number of isomers for the non-n is 35. So this is a way how do you calculate the number of isomers. It is one of the easiest way and it is also one of the time saving during your exams. You can use this formula and you can calculate. Instead of writing all the structures of every isomers, instead of writing all those, you can just use the above formula and you can just calculate how many isomers are there. So it will be very useful for your MCQs questions also. So if you use this formula, it will be very easy to calculate the number of isomers of particular carbon. So you need to keep in your mind, if the formula up to 7 carbon, you need to use the 2 to the power of n minus 4 plus 1. If the value of the n is equal to 8, you need to use 2 to the power of n minus 4 plus 2. If the value of n is equal to 9, you need to calculate 2 to the power of n minus 4 plus 3. If you are very perfect and if you are very familiar with these 3 formulas, you can solve any of the MCQs from the isomers question. That is, if they ask how many number of isomers are there, you can just put the value of the n and you can just calculate, but the formula should be very clean and perfect, and whatever you write the formula, it should be very perfect. So you should not get confused and you should be very familiar with those formulas when they ask in the examination. I hope you completely liked this video and you understood completely the concepts whatever I taught now. And if you completely like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.